this is how it looks like. As you can see, you have the welcome video right here. We have my ebooks, my landing pages, my e-covers, my licenses. Now, first of all, let me show you the training, okay? So a part of the software, you're getting all the training that is needed, and the training is on both how to use the software and also how to make money with it, okay? So as you can see, we have how to create your product tutorial, how to create your ebook cover tutorial, how to add additional chapters and elements tutorial, and then we have some upgrades. We'll talk about upgrades in a second, okay? So first of all, let's create an e-cover. Let me show you how easy this is. So I actually created an e-cover, and this is this one right here. So as you can see, you know, an amazing looking e-cover. I created this in a matter of seconds. So as you can see, we can download it, we can do PNG, we can do JPG, and then we can also preview it. Let me preview it. So this is something I created again in a matter of seconds, and we can add it immediately to our ebook. Okay, now let me click on create e-cover. As you can see, we can create a flat e-cover, a 3D book cover, or a 3D CD cover. So let's just do a flat e-cover. As you can see, we have all of these different ones that we can pick from, and then we can edit all of these. Okay, so this was the one that I created, so let's pick another one. Let's say let's do this one right here. Okay, so we just need to put a name, select, and then click on create. And as you can see, you know, we can move things around, we can edit it. You know, we can do all these different things when it comes to creating an e-cover. Now, I'm not going to be creating another one, so let me just go back, but you can see that this is super easy, and you can save yourself $5 to $10 to $15 when it comes to paying for e-covers on sites like Fiverr. Or again, you can just start a Fiverr gig and sell e-covers on Fiverr yourself. Now, that's for the e-covers. Let's click on create products. So as you can see, we can create products from the database or do it manually. So let me just click on database to show you how easy this is using this software. So as you can see, all we have to do is enter a keyword. So let me just put in money as an example. We have the repository, so we can be PLR repository, BCS repository, or my collections. Let me keep it with the PLR. Match all keywords and collect 50. So now we just click on find. It will take a few seconds to find all of the articles from the PLR database. As you can see, we already have all the articles. All we have to do right now is just scroll the way all the way to the bottom and click on create. Now obviously we can tick the ones that we want to use, so obviously you can go through it and see, you know, exactly what you want to focus on. Like, you know, this is about credit cards, and another one is about, let me see here, outsourcing, you know, internet power. So obviously you can create an ebook from these articles that you specifically want to. Okay, so let me just click on create, and as you can see, we just have to add the title, author, subheading. Let me leave this as nothing, cover image, so we can create an image right here. So let me just use one of the ones that I already created. And as you can see, we can add a bunch of different stuff. So we can edit the font, the size, we have the header settings, we have the footer settings. Like if you want to add a link in the header and in the footer, you can. It can be an affiliate link or any other link. We have the title settings, we have CTA settings, that's all optional. And as you can see, we have the chapters. So you can add chapters, you can take away chapters, you can do as many chapters as you want. Okay, so it can be a simple one chapter, you know, 10-20 page PDF, or we can add, you know, 100 chapters if you want to. So right now, all you have to do is just click on generate ebook. As you can see, it starts working. It will be ready in a matter of seconds. Okay, I only added one article, so obviously because I just added one article, it will be 6 pages right here. And the cool thing is that, as you can see, we can download it as a PDF, an EPUB, MOBI, HTML, or document. So if you're selling these, you can actually charge more for delivering in all of these different formats. Okay, so guys, our ebook is ready. This is super easy. And as you can see, we are in the library right now, so we have all these ebooks that we already created. So guys, you can create ebooks in a matter of seconds. That's super easy. You can do whatever you want with these. Now,